Before you go to meet any prospect, doing homework is essential. If you don't do that, you may lose a lifetime golden opportunity to your biggest competitor. But how you are going to do that using only Google? I'll show you 4 ways to do that. Stay tuned. Yes, Google your name. What's appearing? Is that your Facebook profile? Is that your Facebook photos which shows you how you're having fun? Or is that your LinkedIn profile which shows nothing except the previous work experience and qualifications? On the other hand, do you find photos, your articles, posts which complement your sales profession, which complement your product you sell? It may be your website. Now imagine you are the prospect. Give an honest rating 0 to 10. This is the first impression what your client gets Googling your name. Seriously. Because when you go for 1 hour or half an hour meeting with a prospect, your prospect definitely will spend few minutes Googling your name. Your prospect want to find out with whom he is going to spend his precious time. When someone is coming to meet me, I also do the same. If you have done enough work for that, I mean the homework, and if you get the highest rating for that professional looking post, I congratulate you. But on the other hand, if your rating is very poor, you have to do a lot of work, my friend. This step is a self-evaluation about your virtual brand. You know, every prospect is having a smartphone today. It takes only 30 seconds to know what sort of a person are you. That's the first impression. You got my point? Otherwise, you can't do a sales job in today's world. Sorry to disappoint you. I'm sharing this with great love and respect for you, not to discourage you. Your business opportunity may grab by a more prepared person. In my sales career, I have closed sales even without meeting the prospect. No magic, because I do the homework. I created my social profile strongly. Go to my LinkedIn page, Facebook page, website. You can see what I preach you. Therefore, build your virtual profile strongly. That will pay you dividends in many times. Same like the previous step. If you can't find the profile of your prospect in Googling, I bet you he is not the decision maker. Yes, it's true. Most probably the decision maker might be his or her boss. Try to approach them without wasting your time. But if you can find information about the decision maker through his profile, it will give you a lot of inputs to tailor-make your discussion with the prospect. You can easily find out his likes, dislikes, level of education, experiences, etc. Sometimes you can find clues which help you to connect with him very easily. Imagine your prospect has gone to the same college just like you, or to the same university where you have studied. How comfortable are you? You understand what I'm telling? Internet will give you almost everything at your fingertip. Go through the prospect company history. Go through their product category. Understand their business very well. Understand the industry. Understand the common issues in the industry. Find valuable updated information related to their industry, which may help your prospect. You can use them in the discussion. If it's an article, you can take a printout and give to the prospect as a gift. Key decision makers are more than happy to do the business with you because they want the people who add value to their business. When you know more about your prospect, you can understand their pain points or the problems, and you can suggest better solutions. They are on the internet. Compare the obvious differences in their products, services, or the systems with your prospect. Find out ways and means how your prospect can outperform using your services. Find out ways how you can help your prospect to cut cost, increase efficiency and productivity through your services. Because your prospects want solutions from you to outperform their competitors. Otherwise, a more prepared person will offer a better solution than you. Remember, in selling, The most important thing, you have to have the confidence. But confidence will not arrive in no way. You have to work for that. At fingertips, you can get this information thanks to Google. When you do this work, imagine the level of confidence you're having. You have already won the battle half it out. Your prospect can feel you are a genuine salesperson, a committed salesperson, important person to do the business with. Alright, I will see you with another video like this. Good luck for you for your next sales appointment. Thank you for watching this video. Please share this video, read below information and subscribe to my channel. I will offer you more videos like this to improve your sales and to grow your business. Have a great day.